In the world of luxury, a millionaire yacht engineer starts their day bright and early, sipping espresso while reviewing blueprints of a stunning new vessel. After a quick meeting with a team of designers, they head to the marina, where gleaming yachts await their touch. Each yacht is not just a boat, but a masterpiece of engineering, combining technology with elegance. Passionate about innovation, they share insights on integrating eco-friendly systems into their designs, which attract eco-conscious clients. As sunset approaches, they revel in a scenic yacht tour, reflecting on how hard work, creativity, and a love for the sea shaped their successful journey.